Hello, and welcome to WMW's weekly newscast, bringing you the global waste management headlines. Coming up, lack of investors for pyrolysis plant to recycle tyres on Teesside, Veolia opens e-waste recycling facility in Massachusetts, disposable bag charges proposed in New York City, 3.2 megawatt landfill gas to energy facility opened in Michigan. Middlesbrough, UK-based Pyreco, which aims to develop an £80 million plant to recycle tyres, is reported to be having difficulties with securing the required investment. If built, the facility would process at least 200 tonnes of end-of-life tyres per day. The plant would use a high-tech pyrolysis process that enables the recovery of oil, gas, refined carbon black and steel. According to the company, the ability to recover high-quality carbon black using its pyrolysis process is key, and is something that it claimed lower cost alternatives simply cannot achieve. But the state-of-the-art equipment comes at a high price, and since securing £1 million in government funding, the company has seen two separate deals with global investors fall through. The company's management put this down to risk-averse investors, but said that there is new interest from the Middle East. Veolia has opened a new 55,000 square foot e-waste recycling facility in West Bridgewater, Massachusetts. According to the company, the new plant features the latest equipment for the recycling of fluorescent lamps, ballast, batteries, computers and mercury-bearing waste. Veolia explained that it has installed new processing equipment that allows more than 99% of fluorescent lamps by weight to be recycled. The company said that it separates a fluorescent lamp into its core components of glass, aluminium and mercury-bearing phosphor powder. Last year, Veolia said that it recovered over 70 kilos of elemental mercury by recycling around 7,000 tonnes of fluorescent lamps in the US. The company added that it's also working with partners to recover rare earth elements from the phosphor powder. New York City Council is considering a new law to implement a 10-cent charge on all plastic and paper carry-out bags. The proposal follows the precedent set by Washington, D.C., which saw a swift 80% reduction in disposable bag use after it imposed a 5-cent charge. In addition to the charge on bags, the bill will require that the city conduct an educational campaign for both consumers and retailers. This campaign will include distributing free reusable bags to residents prior to the law going into effect. The bill is being supported by council members Brad Lander and Margaret Chin, as well as a number of environmental and community groups. Currently, the city uses around 5.2 billion disposable bags each year. A new 3.2 megawatt landfill gas to energy facility has entered service at the Orchard Hill landfill in Berrien County, Michigan. The facility has been developed by Lansing, Michigan-based renewable energy developer Granger, working alongside the site operator, Michigan-based landfill management company. Construction began on the project in May last year, and the facility is now generating electricity, which is sold to the Michigan Public Power Agency. According to Granger, the project has reduced greenhouse gas emissions equivalent to taking 26,000 cars off the road. For WMW, I'm Ben Messenger. Thanks for watching.